Lines with only one intercept will only cross either the x or the y, or they'll go through the origin. So a vertical line, like this one, just goes uppy downy, and at no point will it ever cross the y line, because it goes through all the different, it goes infinitely up, infinitely down, and intersects at b. So the x-intercept is just b. X equals b. If that were the number 2, it would be x equals 2. That means it's a vertical line. A horizontal line going along with the horizon will give you just a y-coordinate. So y equals whatever that number is. It goes infinitely over all the x's, and they'll go up and down to whatever number you put in there. Y will always be c. So that's where we get y equals c. And I'll show you something that goes through the origin right through the middle. That has this puppy. So it doesn't technically cross anywhere else except where the two meet. So the y-intercept is 0, the x-intercept is 0. And you can substitute x for 1, or any other value of x, to find any of the other points out here. So y equals 2x. I can figure out what that y-coordinate is from that. And notice here, just as a reminder, the ones from left to right that are going up will have a positive integer. There's a positive 1 there that you can't see. The ones that from left to right are going down will have a negative number. I shouldn't say integer, a negative number in front of the x, because that's going to be our gradient. Okay, so let's show this in a graph. I think I'll do x here, and I'll do y, let's see, about here. Just thinking ahead, just crazy thinking ahead. So for the first one, for a, y equals 3. If I give these numbers 1, 2, 3, there's my point 3. So if I put this point here, x is 1, y is 3. If I put this point here, x is 2, y is 3. Any point I put along this line, y will be 3, and x will be anything I want. We should have used a different color. Anyway, for x equals -4, -1, -2, I think you can see where I'm going on this one. -4 is my point. Then anything along this way, y can be anything in the world. Once again, you should use a ruler and maybe different colors. Anything along that line, x will be equal to 4, no matter what y is equal to. Now for this one is an example of our line. The intercept is actually right bang on the origin. The way we know that is y equals 3x. We don't have plus or minus something after that, because that plus or minus something is the y-intercept. So we ain't got it. Y equals 3x. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to substitute something. So if I know, let me say that x is going to be 1. When x is 1, because I just chose a number, then y is going to be equal to 3 times 1. Then that's 3. So one of our coordinates is going to be x being 1. In that case, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. So you're up there. Okay. What if I did a -1? See what happens. So same formula, 3, and I substitute -1 for x, in which case 3 times -1 is -3. So when x is -1, y is -3, -1, -3. Lo and behold, I know I'm going to go through the origin, and lo and behold, I'm correct. And that tells me that line is going to look like that. And once again, I don't have any plus anything there, so that's my clue that I'm going to go through the origin.